day 3 in Naples. Yeah, today's idea is to go to Mount Vesuvius, even though it's a bit wet outside. But well, yesterday probably rained a bit, so I hope it will not be all muddy up there. How the crossings work, the correct system. Nobody will yield to you. Once again entering the same metro station to go to the Naples main railway station. We're going by a newer train. Hopefully we all can fit there. So yeah, we've just arrived to Pompei Scavi. It's raining a bit, which is not the best weather. That's our bus arriving. Let's go. The ticket costs €3.10. You can buy it at the driver. So the road is really narrow. I mean, I can't really understand how the bus actually fits here. Gracias. We're up. Now the last part is a hike. So yeah, we want to get up there. Might take a while. Estimated to be maybe half an hour. And yeah, in order to access this national park, you have to pay. I think it's €12. Alright, we've just gotten to the top. And also the view is fine. Well, this is the end of the trail. You can't probably go much further than this. Yeah, this is where the path continues, but right now it's closed. Yeah, as you can see over there, the fence is broken a bit, so maybe that's why they closed it off. And that smoke over there, I'm not really sure from where it comes, but it can be the really hot rocks, because the volcano is still kind of active, I would say. Here we are, back down to the, well, bus and parking spot. Just have to go to the bus in order for it to take us to a train station where we can change to a train which will take us back to Naples. Well, after roughly 1 hour or so, we're back to the city center of Pompei, from where we are going to take a train to Naples. If you haven't watched my Naples vlog video, you can watch it on the end screen alongside with Pompei vlog. So take care for now, hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll see you on my next travels. Take care and bye.